Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, the bill as it has emerged from the Joint Select Committee has certainly been one which is much more acceptable to the workers than it was when it was originally moved in this House. Sir, as far as the general principle and the objective of the bill are concerned, it is very laudable not only because of the fact that the workers in a welfare state are entitled to layer and are entitled to know exactly the terms and conditions under which they have to work, but also because of the fact that as far as the transport workers are concerned, their layer and the strain on their nerves and muscles is not only a matter of welfare but is also a matter of safety as far as the community is concerned. It is well known, sir, that the large number of accidents that take place on the roads are due to the fact that some of the transport workers have to work so strenuously that after a time they begin to experience fatigue, and as a result of that they are not in a position to have that alert mind which is absolutely necessary if the accidents are to be avoided, at least in the crowded streets, and because of the fact that the passengers travel between towns and cities and between one village and another, and the transport of goods from one city to another also now takes place through road transport. It is quite safe to say that there is hardly any road in our country which at some time or another is not so congested as to require a very alert mind on the part of the driver to see that accidents do not take place. Many tragic accidents have taken place on the roads, especially in recent times in the neighborhood of big towns and large cities, largely because of the fact that there are trucks and buses and other heavy vehicles moving on the roads, and at the same time light vehicles and small vehicles are also plying on the same roads, and so many times it becomes very difficult for a fatigued driver to control his vehicle, especially a heavy vehicle, and also because of the fact that the roads themselves are also not quite in good maintenance, that the accidents do take place. Therefore, sir, the objective of this bill is very important. Full stop. Over.